How to fix a scanner not found or connected error in Windows 11. If you are scanning a document or photo, and you receive an error message stating that the scanner cannot be found, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Note, after each step shown in this video, attempt to scan with the printer to see if the issue is resolved. If it is not resolved, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Scan using the printer device driver. If scanning from HP Smart or other apps does not work, try scanning from the printer driver. Make sure the printer is on and ready, and then load your original document into the scanner. Search for and open printers and scanners. Select your printer from the list and click the More Devices and Printers settings. Find your printer in the list of devices and make sure it is online, indicated by a green circle with a check that overlays the icon. Right-click the printer driver and select Start Scan. Make any desired changes in the new scan window, and then click Preview. Adjust the area you want to scan by dragging the boundary lines to surround the image, and then click Scan. After the item is scanned, click Next. Enter a name for the scanned image, and then click Import. By default, scanned files are saved to your Pictures folder in a folder that is titled with the date and the name of your scan. Step 2. Uninstall HP Print Driver and use HP Smart. Disconnect any USB cables from the printer. Search for and open Add or Remove programs. If you find your printer is in the list, click the three dots to the right of the printer's name and select Uninstall. Follow the instructions to complete the software removal, and then restart the computer. If you do not find your printer in the Add or Remove Programs list, search for and open Printers and Scanners in Windows. Select your printer from the list, and click the Remove button to remove the printer. Search for and open HP Smart. If you do not have HP Smart installed, you can download it for free at 123.hp.com. Select Add Printer on the home screen and follow the on-screen instructions to add the printer. Once your printer has been added in HP Smart, you can scan by selecting the Scan tile from the home menu. Check Windows Image Acquisition settings. Windows Image Acquisition, or WIA for short, allows communication between the computer and the scanner. If WIA is not on or running correctly, scan jobs can fail. From the taskbar, search for and open Services. Scroll down and locate the Windows Image Acquisition line, and then check the status and startup type. If the status is started or running, and the startup type is automatic, WIA is working correctly and no further action is required. If the status is disabled or blank, continue with these steps. Right-click the Windows Image Acquisition line, and then select Properties from the menu. In the General tab, click the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic from the list. Under the Service Status section, click Start. If the Start button is grayed out, return to the Services list and make sure the following services are running and set to Automatic: DCOM Server Process Launcher, Remote Procedure Call, RPC Endpoint Mapper, and Shell Hardware Detection. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.